Hi, my name is Magli. I'm coming to you from Accar Ltd in sunny Miami, Florida. Here at Accar, we buy and wholesale new and pre-owned high-end watches. We also have a division, our Bezels for Watches division, where we manufacture custom-made bezels with diamonds for these high-end watches. You can find us online at bezelsforwatches.com. Let's go. I will show you our department. Let me welcome you to our Bezels for Watches department. Here we manufacture all our bezels. Our bezels are seamless, meaning they are tube extruded, not casted. This way they will not crack. Also, all our bezels are made on this lathe machine for precision fit, making them 100% waterproof. All of this on our premises in sunny Miami, Florida. Since we are known for our lathe machinery expertise, we have been approached by several of our customers with a terminal watch problem. It is common for the threads on the case and the case back to wear off. The most common reason for this is for when a watchmaker tries to screw the case back on the case and the threads are not perfectly aligned. And this is what happens. In this demonstration, we are using the case of a damaged Rolex Submariner. So you can see I am trying to screw it on, and it will not screw. Now I will show you the actual thread of the watch. This is the back case. So you can see the threading, it's almost non-existent. Now I will show you the case of the watch. Same scenario. Non-existent thread. This is the before of this Rolex Submariner damaged case. Now let me show you the repaired case and case back. This is the after of the Rolex Submariner case. Notice how there is a thread. This is the after of the Rolex Submariner case. Notice how now there is a thread.